Good afternoon, everyone. I'm forecaster Andre Brooks of the AB Weather Channel, and here's your latest tropical update for today. Currently, we have somewhat active tropics going on in the Atlantic, including Tropical Depression 9, newly formed Tropical Storm Ida, and Invest 96L that's off the southeast coast. And currently, that system has a 20% chance of development in the next 48 hours, and a 30% chance of development in the next 120 hours or 5 days. So let's get into the storms in depth. Here is Tropical Storm Ida with winds of 40 miles per hour and is moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. And its coordinates, if you're following at home, is 14.8 north and 39.7 west. And currently right now, it is very organized. Beautiful spiral banding, barely any wind shear inhibiting strengthening, even though it's taking time. It's been 40 miles per hour for about 3 advisories, but due to the size of the system, it will take longer to develop than the smaller systems. So this system has a chance of becoming a hurricane possibly, but the National Hurricane Center has it at just tropical storm strength for now. But as new information comes in, it could possibly become the next hurricane of the season. And now with Tropical Depression 9. Tropical Depression 9 has winds of 30 miles per hour and is moving west-northwest at 6 miles per hour, and if you're following at home, is 18.4 north and 49.8 west. And it is on its last legs, as you can see on the satellite. And on the satellite, it is showing very little cloud cover, and it's just basically a remnant swirl. I would not be surprised if this is the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center on Tropical Depression 9, as it just fallen apart in front of us. And finally, 96L. 96L is looking ill-defined at the moment, but if you go to visible satellites, I don't have it right here, but it shows a well-defined swirl right off the South Carolina and Georgia coast. And this system is moving northeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and this has a chance of becoming the next named system, but it's working with a wind shear, which is decreasing at the moment, so it will give it a 24-hour window opportunity to develop into a tropical cyclone. And if this gets a name, this name will become Tropical Storm Joaquin. So we'll keep an eye on this. It should not make landfall. It should be just moving out to sea northeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, but it will cause increased waves and a stray shower or thunderstorm along the coast of the southeast coast. Looking into the future, all three models, the GFS, the CMC, and the Euro model, are depicting a chance of development around the Northeast Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico due an upward increase in the MJO, and with favorable conditions and warm water temperatures, this has the potential of becoming a named storm probably in the next 8 to 10 days. So as you can see, the GFS shows a broad area low pressure, and it's in the Gulf of Mexico. So with systems like this, you have to keep an eye on it. The GFS in previous models runs has it stronger, so would not be surprised if this becomes a hurricane itself. And U.S. impacts, we'll keep an eye on that. And Euro is showing the same thing. This is a 0Z run. New run is coming out right now. And according to the 0Z run, it is showing a very well organized tropical storm in the Southeast Gulf or the Northeast Caribbean. So the Euro is catching on, the GFS catching on, and the CMC has a tropical depression to tropical storm in the Eastern Gulf according to the 12Z run. And this is becoming more and more likely that we will see some type of development in the Northwest Caribbean or into the Bay of Campeche or the southeast Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep you informed on everything tropical, and we'll keep you latest on any storm that may come our way. I'm forecaster Andre Brooks of the AB Weather Channel. Please like my page, the AB Weather Channel. Please follow me on Facebook, Andre Brooks. And please like and subscribe to this channel, Andre Brooks. Thank you so much. Have a great day.